Retirement means like you have completed your service for the firm and now you want to leave the firm.
Again, the firm concept.
Yes, sir.
Actually, retirement is used for job or employment, you can say. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, if a person has completed a certain age, so then he has to retire from the job, the employment he is doing. Okay, so he has to retire from the job. In some of the job, actually in India, there is a 60-year limit. Okay, in government services, but in private job, generally at some places there is 50 years, 55 years, or 60 years. So these are the age criteria after which you have to retire from that company. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so you have to leave the company. You will get some benefit at the time of leaving the company, and this is called retirement. So generally retirement is related to employment.
Okay, sir.
But in firm, when we say retirement of a partner, then it is related to partnership form.
Okay, sir.
Now, so retirement of a partner from the firm. Now, the reason behind it is sometime it is dispute. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like if a person, a partner, wants to avoid the dispute between other partners. Okay, so then he can decide that he will leave the firm and avoid the dispute. Okay,
Okay, sir.
the second reason can be that he is not in working condition. Okay, like he is continuously ill, or he has attained some certain age after which he is not able to work.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like after 60 or 65 years, people are unable to work, unable to walk, okay, think.
Yes.
So in that case, he will not fit for to become partner, so that's why he will retire. Okay.
Okay, sir. So, sir, we have to write the reasons also if they ask in the question.
Yes, yes. If they will ask you that what is the reason behind retirement of a partner in a firm, then you have to answer this. But generally, these type of question is not asked.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
I I am just explaining the concept to you that why retirement will happen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now in this chapter we have to discuss these concepts. We have already discussed some of the concept in previous chapter also, but this is the concept that we have to discuss in this chapter. So first of all, calculation of new, gaining, and sacrificing ratio that we have already discussed, accounting treatment of goodwill, reserve accumulated profit or loss, revaluation of assets and liabilities, determination of amount payable to retiring partner. This is a new concept in this chapter.
Yeah.
Settlement of
Yes.
retiring partners account and adjustment of capital we have already discussed, but the case will be different in this chapter. So we have to discuss that concept also. And last one is preparation of balance sheet. So we have also prepared some balance sheet in previous chapter. Yes.
Yes.
So only 2 or 3 topic is new in this chapter, and all other chapters we have already discussed. Okay.
Yes.
Now you can see the definition part, actually the meaning why, what is retirement. When an existing partner leave the partnership firm due to any reason, it is called retirement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So reason can be anything. So there is a reason given here: dispute between partners, unable to work, any other personal work or any other personal reason, like he has to shift somewhere else, he has to move to another city or another place. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these are the reasons. Now, the first concept we have to discuss is calculation of new gaining and sacrificing ratio. Can you tell me the formula of sacrificing ratio?
Old ratio minus new ratio.
Old ratio
Sacrifice.
minus new ratio.
Yes.
Okay. And what about if we have to calculate new ratio, then what will be the formula?
Then we have to take the new ratio as 1 and minus it with the new
No,
ratio.
I'm just asking the formula for new ratio, not asking for cases, different cases.
Formula new ratio.
Okay.
Old ratio.
Yes,
Not
yes.
remember. Old ratio minus new, I think.
You are calculating new ratio. So old minus new is not correct.
Yes, new out of.
Okay, you can change this formula and you can calculate anything here written. Sacrificing ratio means old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, or you can say sacrifice equals to old profit share minus new profit share. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, if we want to calculate new ratio, then we will take this new ratio on the left hand side and we will take this sacrificing ratio to the right hand side. So it will become new ratio equals to old ratio minus sacrifice.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Again, if you want to calculate old ratio, then let's say that in the quotient sacrificing ratio and new ratio is given, and you want to calculate old ratio, then we will take new ratio to the other side and it will be new ratio plus sacrifice equals to old ratio. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we can change the formula like we have demand in quotient. Okay. So what will be the requirement? We will use the formula. We will change the formula according to the requirement.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is our new ratio, sacrificing ratio, and old ratio. Now, the concept is not formula. There are different situations that is given in the quotient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What are these concepts? What are these cases? We need to discuss that. Okay. So for this, you can see here new ratio and gaining sacrificing ratio. Case 1, when old ratio of all partners is given and information about retiring partner is given. Okay, let's understand this concept. So when old ratio of all partners, let's say there is 3 partners, A, B, and C. Their ratio is 5:3:2. It is given in the quotient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And the next is when old ratio of all partners is given and information about retiring partner is given. So you have information about who is retiring here. So let's say C is a retiring partner. That's it. This is the information given in quotient. Now, how you will calculate the new ratio? You have only 2 information, their old ratio and who is the retiring partner.
So what we have to find here?
The new ratio. New ratio between A and B because C is the retiring.
Yes. So it will be 5 divided by 10.
Yes.
5 divided by 10, like that we have to find.
Yes, we have to find that.
Okay, sir. Should I find now?
No. Just tell me. You can see this and you can get the answer. You don't have to write anything.
So if C is retiring, it will be 5 divided by 10 minus 2 divided by 10.
No, actually, the new ratio will be 5:3.
Okay, sir.
So if we say the A ratio, it will be 5/8, and for B, it will be 3/8. Because we don't have information about who is gaining, who is sacrificing, we will assume that the ratio will remain same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And we will just remove the retiring partner share. The balance part will become our new share. Is this clear?
Yes, sir. Last week in my class, accounts class, sir asked me this question. I made mistake over there.
Now you understood the concept.
Yes, and I understood.
Okay. So do you have any question for this?
The question he gave was
Yes.
it was the A, B, C are partners. The ratio is 3:2, and C gets 1/3 of share. This is a different question. So in this, I made a mistake. We had to find the new ratio.
Okay. What is the question? Can you tell me again?
A, B are partners in the firm, and C gets 1/3 of share.
Okay.
So we had to find the new ratio here.
So this is the admission of a new partner chapter. I told you about this case one.
Yes, that time
You have
I
to.
couldn't recognize, but later I got the answer.
Okay. So you have to assume total profit share as one, then you have to deduct the new partner share, and then the balance will be multiplied with old partner share.
But sir, he told a different way at that time without calculating.
Without calculating.
Yes, like he told, I don't remember the way he told, but it was like without calculating, he said it, the answer.
uh, the new ratio.
Yes,
Actually, in that case, he remembered the answer.
he said that the new ratio wasn't given, so something like share was considered, like that he said.
Okay, let me write the question. Let's say there is two partners A and B. Okay, and their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Okay, now see a new partner is into the firm and the new ratio that he's getting is 1/5. Okay, now in this portion, I can say that the new ratio will be 5:3:2.
Yes.
So this portion I remember. So answer I also remember.
Okay, sir.
And I can say one thing more, that the sacrificing ratio in this case is always equal to the old ratio. So sacrificing ratio will be 5:3. It means this 1:5 C is receiving from A and B into this ratio 5:3.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the ratio will remain same.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So this is what we can do here. Now, in some of the portion, actually, when you develop some concept about it, you can easily calculate in your mind. You don't have to write anything.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, so in this case, this is the retiring partner concept. So A, B, and C are partners. Their profit sharing ratio was 5:3:2, and C is the retiring partner. So we will just remove the C share from their old ratio and we will get the new ratio.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if A, B, and C are partners, their profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1, and A is a retiring partner. Then what will be the new ratio?
2:1.
2:1. It is very simple.
Yes.
So you have to remember this. There is two information in this question. First, old ratio is given, and the second, information about retiring partner is given.
Okay, sir.
The second concept here. Can you read the second concept?
When old ratio of all partners and gaining ratio of remaining partner is given.
Okay. So what does it mean? What is difference from case one? What is the difference between case one and case two?
In case 1, there was no information regarding the retiring partner, and here gaining ratio is given.
Yes. In second case, gaining ratio of remaining partner means who is still in the firm as a partner. So partner who is retired, we don't know anything about that person, but we know the gaining ratio of remaining partner.
Okay, sir.
And there is one ratio in missing, you were saying?
Second, repeat.
You were saying that there is one information missing in case number two.
No, sir. I was saying that gaining ratio is given in this case 2.
Okay, before that.
No, before that, in case 1, there was no information. Only old ratio of all partners are given.
Yes. So information about retiring partner is always given. Okay, this will be given in all the four cases. Only the additional information is gaining ratio of remaining partners. So it will be given like this. Let's say there is three partners A, B, and C. Okay, their ratio is 3:2:1.
Yes.
Okay. Now, B retired and share of B distributed in 2:1. Okay. So this is your portion as per case number 2. So A, B, C are partners. Their ratio is 3:2:1. B retired and share of B distributed in 2:1 because B is going. So he will not keep his share in profit. So he has to give this share to any one partner. Okay. Or both of them. So A and C are getting B share in 2:1. So how we will calculate the new ratio here?
Again, I think we'll take the new ratio as 1.
No,
And
actually, the new ratio part, when we assume total profit share as 1, it is case 1 of admission chapter. Okay, we don't have to repeat that concept in any other cases.
okay, sir.
Okay, so in this case, we know the ratio of B, share of B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the share of B?
Share of B is 3, I think.
You have seen the share of B?
3 to 1. Okay, 2 it is.
Only 2?
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
Oh, 6. 2 by 6.
Yes, it is 2 by 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is 2 by 6. Actually, I didn't tell you that the answer is incorrect because uh, I was certain that you will find it yourself. Okay. So share of B, it is 2 by 6. Now, in question is saying that B is retired now and share of B is distributed in 2:1. So if you have to distribute this into 2:1, how you will do it?
We'll multiply it with 2 divided by 3 into 2 by 6.
Yes, we will multiply it with both the partner gaining share. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 2 by 3 for A, and for C, it will be 2 by 6 into 1 by 3
Yes.
into 1 by 3. So gaining share of A is 4 by 18 and 2 by 18. Yes,
Yes.
we can also write it 2 by 9 and 1 by 9. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is gain of A and C. Now their new ratio. For A and for C. I told you about the new ratio formula.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me?
New ratio is equals to sacrificing old ratio minus sacrificing ratio.
Old ratio minus sacrificing ratio?
Or I think it's opposite. Sacrificing ratio minus old.
No, no. The answer is correct. Old ratio minus sacrifice.
Okay, sir.
But what if gain is given in the quotient, not sacrifice?
Gain.
So
I think
you can say that gain is opposite of sacrifice.
yes.
So if we are deducting the sacrifice, then we should add the gain.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So old ratio of A was 3 by 6 and C was 1 by 6. Now plus 2 by 9 and plus 1 by 9. So it will be 18. 13 by 18.
Yes, sir.
It will be 5 by 18. So the new ratio will be 13:5. Okay.
So, sir, I
So
think it
what
is
we
not.
have done here? Yes.
I think such ratio won't be coming in question. I think 13:5, like that.
Why? Why do you think so?
Because I have seen ratios only in one digit till now.
One digit only? Oh, I will show you the book and you will find that there is a quotient total of the ratio given is around 70, 75, 80.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in some of the question, you will find that the ratio is very complicated. The number are different.
Okay, sir.
But yes, you can expect the that it will not be coming in your exam, but you have to prepare for any type of question.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
actually, there is a verse in English. I think I don't remember it properly, but I think it is expect for good or better, I think, but prepare for the worst. So yes, you can expect that these type of question will not be coming, but you have to prepare,
Okay, sir.
because somehow if they will give you the question like this, then you will actually feel guilty that you have not prepared for these type of question, because you know the concept, but you have not prepared for these type of question.
Okay, sir. Noted.
Actually, one more thing. If we discuss any question, you don't have to focus on the question. Okay. There is nothing in the question. There is nothing difficult in the question. Okay. You have to see the concept. What we have done here. First of all, we have multiplied the share of retiring partner with sacrificing ratio. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And this solution, I did not tell you. Yes, you told me that we have to multiply it with their sacrificing ratio.
Yes, sir.
Because this is a simple concept, you can easily expect that this share of B will be distributed, because it is written here. B retired and share of B distributed in 2:1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or it can be given in the question like this, that gaining ratio of A and C is 2:1. The sentence is same. Okay. Sorry, sentence is different, but the meaning is same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So share of B distributed in 2:1, or A and C gaining ratio is 2:1. Meaning of both the sentences same.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is our first question. Now, the if we say talk about the steps, then it will be first step will be multiply the. Actually, I should write here. Yes. Multiply the share of retiring partner with the gaining ratio of the remaining part. So this is actually sacrifice. Oh, sorry, this is gain for remaining partner and sacrifice for retiring partner. Now step 2, add the gain to their to old ratio of remaining part. Okay,
Okay, sir.
this is our 2 steps. Now gain equals to share of retiring partner equal to gaining ratio. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is our you can add a step 3 here. It will be convert the answer or the result into ratio. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is our second case. Do you have any question in first or second case?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now case number 3. When old ratio of all partners and share acquired by remaining partner is given. Just 1 minute. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Actually, it was showing that your network connection is unstable. Okay. So the case 3, when old ratio of all partners and share acquired by remaining partners. Now, what is the meaning of share acquired?
Share acquired the original share of the partner.
Share acquired, it is the old ratio actually, the original share.
Means like how much the partner should have.
Actually, share acquired means share received by remaining partner from the old partners.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it will be given in fraction. Actually, in this portion, it is the gaining ratio is given in ratio. Yes.
Yes.
It is given in a ratio, but in the quotient, now in case 3, it will give you this information. The gain.
Okay, sir.
And if it is given in the quotient, then what you have to do?
If it's given in fraction.
If gain is already given in quotient, then what will you do?
If gain is given and we have to find the ratio.
Then we will apply the next step, because we don't have to calculate gain. So we will just do the next step, which is we will add this gain to their old ratio.
Yes.
So this is our second step that we have to do. Add the gain to old ratio of remaining partner. So if it is given like this, then you have to do the final calculation, means add the gain given in quotient to their old ratio, to the old ratio of remaining part.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and then convert the result into ratio. So both of the second case and third case treatment are same, but in third case you have to apply the second step only. Okay, not first step, because gain is already given in the quotient.
Yes.
Okay, now the fourth case is when old ratio of all partners and new ratio of remaining partner is given. So in this quotient, old ratio is given, new ratio is also given. So what we have to do?
Old ratio. You have to minus old ratio with new ratio.
And what will be the result?
Sacrifice.
Very good. So if old ratio is given, new ratio is given, so we will calculate sacrifice by old ratio minus new ratio.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for case 3, step 1, add the gain given in question to the ratio of remaining partner. So in case 3, we have to do only this. And in case 4, we will calculate gain or sacrifice only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if we are writing formula for sacrifice, it will be old ratio minus new ratio.
Yes.
And if we say that we have to calculate gain, then what will be the formula?
Gain.
Then it will be just opposite.
Okay, sir.
Why opposite?
Because in sacrifice we are minusing, then
Yes. Let's say you have 4 pen. Okay.
yes.
And you have given 1 pen to me. Now you have how many pen?
3.
3 pen you have. Okay. Which is
Yes.
old? Which is new?
The one given one is new, I think.
This.
No, the 3 pen.
This.
Yes.
Okay. So this is new. And this.
That's old.
That's old. And what about 1 pen?
I think it's just like that.
This is your
Let's see.
sacrifice. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the case of sacrifice, your old ratio is more than your new one. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we are calculating like this, old ratio minus new ratio. But what if you have received, not given, you have received 1 pen? Then
Then it will be opposite.
how many pens will be the new?
4.
4 pen you already have. You received
It will
1
be
pen
5 then.
from me. Then it will be 5.
Yes.
So in this case, which one is more? New? New is
Yes.
5, old is
Yes.
4. So you are gaining 1 here. That's why your new is more than your old. So new minus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in sacrifice, it is old ratio minus new ratio. In gain, it is new ratio minus old ratio.
Okay, sir.
So this is your 4 cases for calculation of new ratio, gaining or sacrificing ratio. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our goodwill concept. When a partner retires, goodwill is valued and share of retiring partner and goodwill is paid to him by gaining partners. Firm goodwill is multiplied with retiring partner share of profit. This is the steps we have to follow. Firm's goodwill, generally it is given in the quotient. So what we have to do, firm's goodwill is multiplied with retiring partner share of profit. let's say in the quotient, we have to calculate, we have to treat goodwill. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, what I have told you about goodwill, the valued goodwill.
It will be distributed among the partners
in
old ratio.
sacrificing ratio. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I told you that goodwill, which is valued, is compensation. Compensation for what?
Compensation.
Compensation for sacrificing or giving your profit share to someone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if it is compensation for sacrificing, then it should be distributed in
Okay, sacrificing
ratio.
ratio.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So goodwill is compensation for sacrificing profit share. So first of all, the step one that you have seen here is goodwill is multiplied with retiring partner's share of profit. Now, the partner who is retiring will receive goodwill from whom?
From old partners.
From the remaining partners or old partners,
Yes.
you can say, but in old partners, the retiring partner is also included. That's why in the case of retirement, we don't talk about old partners. We say it is remaining partner.
Yes.
Okay. So if remaining partner, if remaining partner is paying the amount of goodwill, then in which ratio they will pay to the retiring partner?
In sacrificing ratio.
Sacrificing or gaining ratio, because here in sacrificing, sacrificing is not applicable. Only partner who is sacrificing here is a retiring partner, because he is leaving his share of profit and going from the firm, retiring. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if he is leaving his share of profit, then the remaining partner will get it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if remaining partner is getting the profit share of retiring partner, then the remaining partner is gaining partner.
Yes.
Okay. And if remaining partner is gaining partner, it means they have to pay goodwill as a compensation for sacrifice their profit share by retiring partner.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the concept is nothing is free in the business. Okay. So retiring partner is given to remaining partner. What retiring partner is given? His profit share.
So
Because
the remaining
retiring
partners.
partner, yes.
Many partners will give goodwill.
Yes. So remaining partner will give goodwill in return.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And they are giving their profit share in which ratio it will be used. You can say sacrificing or gaining. Then goodwill is paid by that part.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is our concept of goodwill. Now steps. Steps is already written. You can see firm goodwill is multiplied with retiring partner share of profit. Let's say the retiring partner share is 1/5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Firm's goodwill is given in the quotient. It is 1 lakh. And there is 3 partner A, B, and C, and their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Okay. And C is retiring.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, how much goodwill C will receive? First of all, for receiving goodwill, you have to multiply the firm's goodwill with the share of retiring part.
Okay, sir.
So she share in goodwill will be 1 lakh into 2 by 10 or 1 by 5, you can say. So it will be, sorry, 20,000. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now C will receive 20,000 from A and B. So in this 20,000, how much A is receiving and B is receiving? That's the portion. So there is nothing given. So B, A and B, new ratio will be 5:3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I told you that in this case, the sacrificing or gaining ratio is also same. So this 20,000 will be distributed in A and B in this ratio. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will be 12,500 and 7,500. So this is our amount payable by A and B in compensation. Now journal entry is required. You can see gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital. So gaining partner capital account is always debited and sacrificing partners capital account is always credited. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is our accounting treatment. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Anything from previous concept? Any?
Sir, the gaining part, the third case, can you show me again once more?
This one?
Yes, sir. The third case. When gaining is already given.